Start by removing your old OEM mirror. Remove your inner mirror panel by pulling out and up. Remove the foam insulator. Remove the 3 10mm nuts. Use a ratchet, extension, and 10mm socket. Be sure to support the mirror while removing the last nut. Squeeze these 2 tabs together and remove the mirror from the vehicle. Install the 3 studs into the corresponding holes in your door. Use the 10mm nuts supplied with your new mirror kit. Tighten them down with a ratchet, extension, and 10mm socket. Reinstall the insulator. Align the tabs on the back of your inner mirror panel into the holes in the door. Then snap your inner mirror panel back into place.